Looking for the best electric drill for DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, or home repairs? In this video, we compare 5 of the best electric drills and drill accessories for 2026. From precision mini drills to powerful brushless cordless drills and rivet gun adapters, these versatile tools deliver excellent performance for professionals, makers, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. ARROWMAX Mini Drill with Benchtop Drill Press. The ARROWMAX Electric Mini Drill Kit includes a portable cordless drill and compact benchtop drill press for improved precision and stability. Designed for drilling metal, wood, plastic, PCB boards, and hobby materials, it offers accurate vertical drilling for detailed projects. Ideal for model makers, electronics enthusiasts, craftsmen, and DIY workshops seeking professional-level precision in a compact setup. Number 4. YOFIDRA Brushless 13mm Cordless Impact Drill. The YOFIDRA 13mm cordless impact drill features a powerful brushless motor and 35-3 torque settings for versatile drilling and fastening performance. Compatible with Makita-style batteries, it easily handles wood, metal, masonry, and home improvement tasks. Its ergonomic grip, efficient power delivery, and durable construction make it an excellent tool for professionals, contractors, and serious DIY users. Number 3. ARROWMAX Mini Precision Drill Kit. Designed for detailed precision work, the ARROWMAX Mini Precision Drill includes 10 interchangeable drill bits for plastic, wood, metal, PCB boards, and model making. Its cordless design provides excellent portability, while the precision motor ensures accurate drilling with minimal effort. Perfect for electronics repair, jewelry making, crafts, and DIY enthusiasts who require precise control in delicate applications. Number 2. ARROWMAX DC5 Mini Electric Drill. The ARROWMAX DC5 is a compact cordless electric drill featuring a lightweight carbon fiber body and rechargeable battery for convenient everyday use. Ideal for crafts, woodworking, plastic, aluminum, model building, and DIY projects, it offers precise drilling with comfortable handling. Its portable design and reliable performance make it a great choice for hobbyists, makers, and home workshops. Number 1. Rivet Gun Adapter for Electric Drill. Transform your standard electric or cordless drill into a powerful pop rivet tool with this easy-to-use rivet gun adapter. Designed for fast installation of aluminum and steel rivets, it provides an affordable solution for metal fabrication, automotive repairs, furniture assembly, and DIY projects. Its durable construction, simple installation, and compact design make it an essential workshop accessory for professionals and home users alike. These 5 electric drills and accessories offer reliable performance, precision, and versatility for home repairs, woodworking, metalworking, and creative DIY projects. Whether you need a compact precision drill, a powerful brushless impact drill, or a rivet gun attachment, these tools provide excellent value for beginners, hobbyists, and professional users alike.